Hi YouTube, this is Miss Creative 47. Now, this is something different I decided to do. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm getting ready to print and cut. I already have my registration marks on right here. If you see it right here, the line right here, the little square, and the registration marks right here. And if you notice, I did a copy and paste and I flipped it horizontally because I'm doing it double side. I want to make sure my cut is on by clicking on this cut knife right here, and everything, the outline outside, outline inside is on. Now I'm going to go up to my print. I'm going to look for the printer I want to use, which is my Epson Workforce 7620 right here. Then I'm going to go to preference because right now the paper that's in the printer setting is 8.5 by 11, but my paper size for my project is 12 by 12. So I have to change my printer size to the size of my paper. So I'm going to click on that document and go down to user define right here, and in these two boxes I'm going to put 12 and this one 12 and click OK. Then I want to paper type. I'm using cardstock, so I'm gonna click on this arrow here and I'm gonna go all the way down to cardstock, and this window come up and say because of the paper type is changed, the paper source will be changed to rear paper feed slot that's in the back of my printer. And I click OK. Then I click OK again, and then I click apply. Then I click, well, first I gotta put my paper in, and I will show you where that's at. And then I click print. And now you see it's starting to send it to the printer. Click print. See, and now you notice that your registration mark, you can see your registration marks on your paper. Now if you would have kept this at 8.5 by 11 on your printer setting, it would cut it off here or maybe down here. So you got to make sure that when you doing a print and cut, you got to make sure your where you're doing your design at on your design page. If it's a 12 by 12, you got to set your printer to 12 by 12. If you're doing 8.5 by 11, then your printer got to be 8.5 by 11. If you're doing a 12 by 24, your printer have to be 12 by 24. So now, before I get ready and print it, I'm going to just zoom the camera over to, you can see the paper is in the back right here. Tilt it down so you can see exactly what it's doing. And you see it printed up. And printed up, and you have your registration marks, and that's what you need in order for your silhouette machine to cut it out. So now we're getting ready to take it to the Silhouette Cameo, and we're getting ready to cut it out. Now we are at I'm getting ready to, this is a quick cut mat, but because this is the only one that I had, I have to buy my silhouette cutting mat. Then you want to load it, and hopefully it works, because sometimes when you do stuff it don't work. And then I go to my computer and I hit send to silhouette, and you should see it working. So it's registering the registration marks, is making sure they're in place where it's supposed to be so it can be cut. Now it's getting ready to cut it. just love this machine. It works so well. Clean your blade inside the housing. Okay, it's finished. So let's take it out. We're gonna do the unload, and I'm going to just peel it slowly. Peel it away. And I'm just gonna bend this just a little bit. And be careful when you take it off. Trying to do it slow. All right. And this is what you're left with. How awesome is that? And I have some skewers up here. And this was what I was saying, that you can take this and you can glue it to the back of that. You want a long one so it can go all the way up, so it'll be sturdy. And you could put that on the base with some balloons or something, or you could just have it in this double-sided. And actually I would do a silhouette where I just put a black sheet of cardstock on my mat and just cut this out as a silhouette to make it even sturdier. So that's it for now. Showing you how the accent work for us and my silhouette cameo works, and I will see you again soon. Bye.